So you've just got your hands on a beautiful OnePlus smartphone. The design, the in-hand feel, but when you actually go ahead and use it, you just don't feel that connection with regards to the software, especially on your home screen. I mean, it's not bad by any means, but in my dictionary at least, our phones should be unique and stand out from the others just like we are. A bit somewhat like this. Okay, now that I have your attention, I'm pretty sure that you guys want to set up your phones to look just like mine. Well, to start off, you need to download some applications. So head on over to the Play Store and grab hold of these applications right here. You'll find the download links in the video description down below. Alright, first of all, we'll be switching our default launcher to one of my favorite custom launchers out there, the Launcher launcher. You'll find the link to download this app as well in the video description down below. Just make sure you grab the latest version. You may also want to download Lawn Feed, which essentially adds the functionality of the Google Feed when you swipe over to the left. Now head on over to your File Manager application from the app drawer and tap on APKs. And here you'll see the Launcher APK that we just downloaded. So let's tap on it and select Install to have the application installed onto our phones. Okay, now let's make Launcher our default home screen launcher. So hopping onto our phone settings, we are first gonna select Apps, then select Default Apps, select the Home app, and then tap on Launcher from the list. And as you can see, we are now welcomed with the basic layout of our new launcher. Now our task right here is to get rid of everything on the home screen. And by everything, I do also refer to the at a glance and the search widget down below. I'll show you how to do that in a bit, but first let's change a few settings of our launcher. So let's long press on our home screen and tap on Home Settings, then tap on General, and then tap on Icon Style. If you see this prompt like so, just tap on Allow, and then you can select the Reef Pro icon pack from the list. Then head back, select the Theme option, and set it to Dark Mode. Alright, now let's head back to our main settings page, and now select the Home Screen option. We are first gonna deselect this option for adding new apps to our home screen, and then the toggle for Scroll Wallpaper. And then we'll head all the way to the bottom of the page, and here's where we'll tap on the toggle right here to hide our status bar. Alright, it's time for the default widgets on our home screen to disappear. So let's head back and select At a Glance, just dismiss this prompt like so, and then this one right here. And then tap on the main toggle at the top of our screen to remove the At a Glance widget. Next, go back and select Dock, and tap on the toggle right here for hiding the search bar. Okay, now let's go back to the main settings page, and here is where we'll tweak a few options for our app drawer. We're gonna start off by changing the app drawer columns from 4 to 6, then we'll change the row height to 80%, and then at the bottom, we'll change both the icon size and the label size to 70%. Okay, so let's jump back to our main home screen. Now weirdly, these two apps popped out of nowhere for me, so let me get rid of these real quick. Alright, taking a look at the app drawer real quick, you might think that, well, not all the apps have their associated icons, and let me tell you, this is quite normal. There are two basic things that you can do right here. You can manually set the custom icons to the applications which haven't been skinned, like the way I'm doing right here, and that way you can cover up for most of the applications. And you can also select applications that you do not use that much and hide it from the app drawer altogether. Now I personally like to do this for several of my applications, and honestly I think that this is a great way to create a more organized app drawer. Alright, so let me go ahead and make a few more changes, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we are back. And now if I show you guys my app drawer, you can clearly see that it looks much more cleaner than what we started with. The one thing that I changed in the background was to actually increase the row height to 90%, as you can see right here. Alright, so now is the time to set up our main home screen. So let's open up the KLWP application like so, and then make your way through the initial setup process till you reach this page right here. Now here we'll tap on Select Folder and navigate to our phone's internal storage, and then tap on the new folder icon right here. I'm gonna name this one Custom, but you can feel free to name it however you want. Then we'll tap on Use this folder, and then finally click on Allow to complete the initial setup process. Okay, now let's go back to our app drawer and search for the Wind KLWP skin pack. Once it opens, just head over to the Widgets tab, and then from the list of skins, select this one right here called Wind 12. Now here you'll probably get this Fix Now message, which we are gonna tap on like so, and here we basically need to grant all the missing permissions that are preventing our skin from loading up on our screens. Now once you're done with granting all the permissions like so, All that is left right now is to hit on the save button up here, followed by an additional prompt to allow KLWP to set the live wallpaper on our screens. So just like that, you now have this elegant looking home screen on our devices. And now let's add the finishing touch to our skin, that is to change the inline wallpaper. So heading back to our KLWP skin settings, select the global tab like so, and then under the section called Wall, tap on this tab right here to bring up your file manager. And here we are going to select this wallpaper right here. Don't worry, I'll leave a link to download this and many other cool wallpapers that I think would really complement the look and feel of this KLWP based setup. And then finally hit on the save button up top, and now we can jump back to our home screen to admire this beautiful setup that we just created. Now don't you just love the way you can interact with the elements right here? I mean, the animations, the aesthetics are so much elegant, and at the same time we have also created a simple and minimal looking app drawer underneath, all in an effort to never make you feel bored whenever you pick up and look at your phones. So with that, we come to the end of this video, and I genuinely hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed filming this home screen setup. So definitely make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you liked this video, and by the way, a sub to the channel will always mean the world to me. I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.